How to fix cannot verify server identity on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix cannot verify server identity, launch the settings application on your device first and scroll down and find the mail option and tap on that. Now tap on accounts and remove your Google account from here. Also, go back to settings homepage and tap on screen time. Here tap on content and privacy restrictions and go ahead and toggle off the button for content and privacy restrictions. Tap on general now and then tap on date and time. Make sure it is set to set automatically. Lastly, go ahead and reset all settings. In order to reset all settings, in settings itself, tap on general and scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then on reset and then on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings. Nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now and your problem should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.